Hello, I'm Jessica Martinez. My capstone video focused on a third grade standard, and I'm coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia. This was a 5-day lesson that focused on human impact on the environment, including the endangerment of animals and pollution. I focused on this lesson because I have a passion for conserving the environment. I'm thinking about getting my master's in environmental science or conservation biology. One of my goals as a teacher is to help students realize that their actions have unintended consequences. One of those being detrimental impacts on the environment, something that many of us aren't really aware of in our everyday lives. Students were asked to engage in a research project consisting of 2 components. The first component was a letter to our senator in which they described their endangered animal, the factors that contribute to that animal's endangerment, how humans are impacting our environment through their selected type of pollution, and in which they propose possible solutions. The second component asked students to construct a visual model to represent the information they learned from research. From the choices given, some students chose to create a comic strip, while other students chose to create a poster made out of recycled materials. I had 2 groups of that had 4 students in each group construct a news broadcast explaining the effects of pollution and showcasing their endangered animal to the class. Knowledge of critical species was the main aspect of the National Geographic framework that was covered with this lesson. Students investigated factors that contribute to animal endangerment, and within this, they realized that all living beings are interconnected. They're interrelated. So if one animal becomes endangered and eventually becomes extinct, it impacts other living organisms and also impacts humans. Students also realized that there are many possible solutions to help conserve species and also to conserve our environment, giving them empowerment. One way that they realized this was by writing a letter to their senator, describing ways that the government could help conserve their endangered animal and ways that they could help improve pollution.